This video demonstrates the post-dive cleaning and sanitizing process.
For a video demonstrating how to do an exhaust system and a water dump check, click here.